Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down a little bit to find the wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on change wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got some pre-installed options like featured, graphical or the colors. We've got also the wallpaper services and your own gallery, so you can always set your own photo as a wallpaper. However, let me pick something from the featured options. So let me tap on this album and simply tap on the option to check the preview. Here you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen or both, as in my case. So let's simply tap on next after marking the option you'd like to use. And as you can see, this is how it will look like on the lock screen, I believe here. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. And as you can see, we've got this information, so we can go back and the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.